In 1815, a volcanic eruption in Indonesia led to the year without a summer. Crops failed, and famine spread across Europe and North America. But did you know this catastrophe inspired Mary Shelley to write Frankenstein? As the skies darkened, she and her friends, including Lord Byron, gathered in a Swiss villa, challenging each other to write ghost stories. Shelley's creation, born from the eerie gloom, became a literary classic. How often does nature's fury spark human creativity? This tale of darkness and inspiration reminds us of the unexpected ways history shapes art